If you're looking for items that are not available in SJSU's library catalog, you might want to try Interlibrary Loan. To use Interlibrary Loan, you'll need an account through ILLiad. To set this up, you'll need your SJSU ID number. So being a first-time user, I'm going to go ahead and click on First-Time User Set Up Your Account. I'm going to go ahead and click on First-Time User, and I'm going to fill in this information. When filling out your personal information, make sure that you set your status to distance graduate student if you're a distance graduate student. This ensures that the correct loan rules will apply to items that you request, such as home delivery. Once your account is set up and you're able to log into ILLiad, you could go ahead and track your requests as well as request items. So I hope that's been helpful, and please reach out to us if you have any questions. Have a great day. Bye.